What's up, millionaire? So, what's my prediction to Bittorrent as moving up in upcoming days or fails down? What's my opinion to sell, hold, or buy? And what's the next target of Bittorrent to they can cross it half US dollar? Everything and this video gone very important, but kindly be honestly first of all subscribe our YouTube channel, because if you subscribe our YouTube channel, then this channel provide you very latest news and updates of all cryptocurrencies. Absolutely, kindly be honestly subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for subscribing, my brother. First of all, my friend, at the start of this video I draw a chart, and that you understand towards my prediction, and they go up in upcoming days or they fails down. My friend, if you can see here, this time I draw a two line. Please understand what I talk to. My friend, if you can see here, they moving up and very slowly, very slowly. They cannot take a high jump, they cannot take a very bad fall, but after this they take a very high jump, my friend. You can see here this point. Every cryptocurrency remember to go in the circulation, they cannot moving up. So sometimes they take a very high jump, but they cannot moving jump. They only every time they cannot take a jump. Sometimes they also fails down. You can see here you can see here after a very high jump they cannot moving up more, they fails down again. But after this fail, you can see here they continuously very badly fails down, my friend. You can see here they continuously fails down, my friend. They cannot take a very high jump again. If they take a high jump again, you can see here, then exactly they can hit it half US dollar just at the in upcoming month, my friend. And this is the next target of Bittorrent BTT. Exactly, they can hit it, especially my friend. If you can see here, and those days every crypto I already posted in my community tab. If you are old viewer, then please you also know about this post to the crypto market in the last 24 hours very badly files down, and I already posted on my channel to remember. Please don't sell it, hold it, and wait for the end of this month. So if you see this post, then exactly you cannot sell it. I hope you be safe from lost, my friend. This time, if you can see here, this point they gone in the circulation, my friend. Sometimes they fails down, sometimes they gone up. So my friend, you can see here, this is the fails point, and this is the highest jump point, my friend. After this jump also they fails down, and after this fails also they take a very high jump in upcoming days. So kindly, my friends, don't sell it, hold it, and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you a very good profit. They change occur and just in a positive. This time you can see here minus 2.99% they fails down, my brother. So I hope in upcoming days they're moving up like a rocket. So kindly, BTT holder, please hold it and don't sell it. Just wait for the end of this month and then sell it. I hope they give you very good profit. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care, my friend. And the target as 0.5 US dollar. This is the half US dollar target. Kindly, I hope they can hit it. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. When a lot of they when a good jump or good falls they take, absolutely I make a video for you. So thanks for watching, and if you have any kind of help, please message me on Instagram channel. A link is available on my channel. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.